Uncle Rock here, may question tayo dito about AIDS or HIV. Okay, bakit hoax ito in GNM perspective? Okay, dapat ito binabasa ninyo pero sige na nga, eto na. Okay, gawa tayo ng hierarchy ng mga sagot. Okay, mula sa pinakatingin kong pinakamataas. Okay, una, germ theory is a hoax. Germ theory is a hoax. So, hindi totoo yung virus na yan na nag-cause niyan. Okay? Now, talagang malupit ka, sobrang talino mo. Hindi ka naniniwala sa sinasabi ko. O, sige. Hindi ka naniniwala na germ theory is a hoax. Anong test kit? RT-PCR. Okay? Sino inventor ng RT-PCR? Kary Mullis. Okay? Ano sabi ni Kary Mullis about RT-PCR?
That may or may not be there.
I think misuse PCR is not quite. I don't think you can misuse PCR. No, the results, the interpretation of it. See, if you can say, if they could find this virus in you at all, and with PCR, if you do it well, you can find almost anything in anybody. It starts making you believe in the sort of Buddhist notion that everything is contained in everything else, right? I mean, because if you can amplify one single molecule up to something that you can really measure, which PCR can do, then there's just very few molecules that you don't have at least one single one of them in your body, okay? So that could be thought of as a misuse of it, just to claim that it's meaningful. It is. No, there's very little of what they call HIV, and what's been brought out here by Philpott and Isai already. The measurement for it is not exact at all. It's not as good as our measurement for things like apples. An apple is an apple. You know, you can get something that's kind of like, if you got enough things that look kind of like an apple and you stick them all together, you might think it was an apple. But and HIV is like that. Those tests are all based on things that are invisible, and the results are inferred in a sense. PCR is separate from that. It's just a process that's used to make a whole lot of something out of something.
Hindi siya for diagnosis. Okay? Now, hindi ka pa rin naniniwala. Ano muna yung mga symptoms? Symptoms ng AIDS. Ayan. Yan yung mga symptoms. Yung mga symptoms na yan, in GNM perspective, ay mga healing phases ng iba't ibang biological conflict. Healing phases yan. Okay? Gumagaling lang yan. Okay? Now, hindi ka pa rin naniniwala. Okay. Now, ano muna yung mga pinanggagamot sa pinanggagamot sa AIDS? Ito, art. Okay. To cut the long story short, namatay sila. Kung may namamatay man meron siguro, no. Namamatayan sila sa toxicity. Meron pang ang video niyan na ni-recycle nila yung chemotherapeutic drug. Nakalimutan ko na yung tawag ni-recycle nila yon. Ginawa nilang pang AIDS. Okay? So, to cut the long story short, yung mga na-diagnose ng AIDS, naloko sila na may sakit sila, na malubha. Yun yung pinangangatawanan na nila yung may sakit sila. Hanggang sa nag-deteriorate yung katawan nila. Magkakaroon na sila ng bagong biological conflict niyan. Depende sa assessment ng isang tao. Pwedeng self-devaluation, existence conflict, mating conflict, pwedeng starvation conflict. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Patong-patong na yung diagnosis sa'yo. Tuloy-tuloy ka na sa impyerno nun. Sorry sa, medyo parang trash talk yung dating. Pero, siguro mataas ang expectation ko sa movement na dapat basic ito eh. Mataas siguro yung expectation ko. Sorry na. Asshole na akong asshole. Nanggagaling ako lagi sa pagmamahal na ayoko kayong pabugoy-bugoy kayo dyan. Seryoso ako sa ginagawa ko tapos kayo hindi nyo naman siniseryoso yung mga sinasabi ko sa inyo. Parang doon lang ako nagwo-worry minsan. Pero I always come from love. Sana maintindihan ninyo. Okay? Paikot-ikot lang yan. That's all. Rock and roll.